Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of coding. But with so many programming languages out there, where do you even begin? Fear not, aspiring coders. This video will be your guide to finding the perfect language to match your interests and goals. Maybe you're just starting out, tinkering with code for fun. Or perhaps pure curiosity has you itching to learn. Well, if that's you, then Python is your best friend. It's known for being super beginner-friendly, with easy-to-read code. Plus, Python's versatility makes it a great all-rounder for various projects. Now, if you dream of building captivating websites, then you absolutely need to learn JavaScript. It's the foundation for both the front end, what users see, and back end server-side of web development. Frameworks like Node.js even let you use JavaScript for both parts, making things extra efficient. For those fascinated by data and its potential, Python and R are your go-to languages. Python, with powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow, unlocks the world of data analysis and machine learning. R, on the other hand, is specifically designed for statistics, making it another strong contender. Have you ever envisioned creating the next big mobile app? Then the language choice depends on your target platform. For Android development, Java or Kotlin are the champions, while for iOS, Swift reigns supreme. Calling all aspiring game developers, if you dream of building immersive games, two paths await you. C is a popular choice for the Unity game engine, while C offers more control for complex games using Unreal Engine. Of course, sometimes your goals might be aligned with industry trends, so let's explore some languages in high demand. For web development, JavaScript, Python, and PHP. For data science, Python with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow. For mobile apps, Java, Kotlin, Android, or Swift, iOS. For backend, Java, Python, Ruby, or Go. And for game development, C or C++. Remember, the most important factor is your passion. Whether it's building websites, analyzing data, or creating games, choose a language that excites you. Still unsure? Don't worry. We've got a handy language finder tool link in the description that can match your skills and goals with the perfect programming language. So take the quiz, find your match, and start your coding journey today. Thanks for joining us. We hope this video helped you navigate the exciting world of programming languages. Happy coding!